Hello viewers, welcome to the world of Tech Era. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to create the images in PHP. Okay, see here. So this is the HTML file. So in this one, the HTML tag, then head tag, title tag, then body tag. We are using the form tag. So in the form tag, the method and action attributes are very important. Okay, so the next one is the images list. See here. So in the images list we are having the select tag. So we know the purpose of select tag. So the select tag is used to create the drop down list. Then in the select tag we are having the attribute name. So the name attribute is needed to reference the form data after the form is submitted. Okay, so this is most important tag. So that is name tag. So the name tag value is drawing. So we are using this value in the next form. So that is image1.php. Okay, then we are having the option tag. So the option tag defines the available options in the drop down list. Define the available options in the drop down list. Okay, so see here we are having 6 values inside the drop down list. Those are line, rectangle, polygon, arc, ellipse and pattern. Okay, so we are defining 6 values inside the drop down list. Then we end the select tag. Then here we are having the submit button. Input type equal submit, then name equal submit, then value equal to select. So this is our HTML file. Okay, so after that, after pressing the submit button, so the data should be transferred to the next form. So the next form is here image1.php. So we will see the contents of the image1.php. See here, this is the image1.php file. Okay, so here we are using the value of the name attribute. So I already told that. So the name attribute is one of the important attribute because we are reference the form data after the form is submitted. Okay, so here we are using the post method. So $_post of drawing. Then we call the method state gap of $_post of drawing. Then inside the function we are having the switch case. Switch of $drawing means then we are checking case line. So here we are using the image creator function. So this function create the blank image of specified size. So image create the blank image of specified size. So here 700 and 200 are width and height. Then we assign that value to the variable $im. Okay. So in the next line, see here we are using the image color allocate. So what is the usage of image color allocate? So this function is used to set the color in the image. To set the color in the image, we are using the image color allocate. To set the color in the image. Okay. Then the parameters of image color allocate is so that is the image, then red, green, blue. So these are the parameters of image color allocate. Okay. So here image means, so this one is written by one of the image creation functions. So here the image create function is image create. Okay. Then the second one $red. So this value is used to set the value of red color component. Set the value of a red color component. Okay, then green. So this parameter is used to set the value of green color component. Set the value of green color component. Then blue. Same thing only. So set the value of blue color component. Okay. So this is the syntax for image color allocate. See the codings here. Image color allocate $im. Because we are creating the new image using the image create, then we assign that value to the variable $im only. So here $im, then 255 comma 255 comma 0. So 255 is the red component value, 255 another 255 is the green component value, 0 is the blue component value. So we are assigning that color to variable $lo. Okay, the same thing happens in the next line also. So we are creating one more color, then we assign that to blue. Okay, so next one is the image line. So what is the usage of image line? So this one is used to draw the line between two given points. So image line is used to draw the line. So between 2 points. Okay. So see the syntax of image line. So in the image line, so the $image, then $x1 comma $y1 comma int $x2 comma int $y2 comma then int color. So this is a syntax for image line. See the coding here. Here image means that is the image created by image create function. So that is $im. Then 0 comma 0. So which means so the x1 comma y1 coordinate is 0 comma 0. Okay. Then 700 comma 200. So that is x2 and y2 value. So this function drawing the line between 0 comma 0 and 700 comma 200. Then the color is $yellow. Okay, so likewise we are creating one more line. So the one more line is 0, 0 and 840, 250. Okay, then image PNG function. So what is the use of image PNG function? This function is used to display the image to the browser. Display the image to the browser. So next one, image destroy. So the image destroyer function destroy the image and freeze any memory associated with that image. So destroy the image. Okay, so this is the set of statements inside the case line. Okay, then the next case is, it is case rectangle. So for rectangle we are defining the x and y values. The x value is 180, y value is 110. So then here we are creating the image using the image create true color. Image create true color. So this one is used to create the new image. So in the previous case we are using image creator function. Here we are using the image create true color function. Okay, we are creating the image. So the width is 180, then height is 110. Okay, then after that here we are using the image color allocate alpha. So image color allocate alpha. So this function also used to allocate the color for the image. So this function and the image color allocate both are same only. So the difference is, so this one is having the additional functionality, so that is the transparency. That is the difference between the image color allocate and image color allocate alpha. Okay. So in the image color allocate we have seen 4 attributes. So this one is having 5 attributes. The additional one attribute is the transparency value. Okay, so see here, image color allocate alpha of $image2, 255, 0, 0, 75. Okay, now we are using the image filled rectangle, because this is the case for rectangle only. Okay, so the image filled rectangle function is used to create the filled rectangle. So the attributes for image filled rectangle is image, so after that the x1, y1, then x2, then y2, then the color. Okay, then again we are using the image PNG because we want to display the image to the browser. Then image destroy, we want to destroy the image and the resources associated with that image. Okay, so here we have seen first 2 cases. The 2 cases are line and rectangle. Okay, so next So the next one is case polygon. So here also we are defining the width and height value. So that is 250 and 210. So we are assigning with x and y variable. So here image create true color, this one create the image. Okay, then after that we are using the image color allocate alpha. I already explained. So the purpose of image color allocate alpha. Then we are using the image polygon. So in image polygon the syntax is, so image polygon, so image then points, we have to define the points, then the number of points, then the color. See here, image means the image created using the image create true color, so that is image 3. Then the points, we have to define the points. So here we are defining the points using the array. So array of 10, 10, 50, 140, 100, 200, 220, 180. So here we are having 4 points, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point and 4 point. Okay, so next parameter is the number of points. So that's why here we are giving 4. Then the color is white. So why white? So we created the color using image color allocate alpha, then assign that value to white only. Okay, so this is about the image polygon. Next one is image PNG, then image destroyer. So I already told the purpose, so you people familiar with that. So the next case is it is arc. So here again we are create the new image with the help of image create true color functions. So the width and height value is 200, 200. Then we create the color using the image color allocate alpha. Then we assign that value to white. So this is about the image arc. So the image arc function is used to create the arc of the circle centered at the given coordinates. So see the syntax for image arc. So that is image arc. So image, then x comma y, then width, then height, start, end, then color. So this function consists of totally 8 attributes. Okay, so in this one, x used to set the x coordinate center, y used to set the y coordinate center, then width and height. So width of the arc and height of the arc. Then the next one is the start. So it is used to set the arc start. So that is in degrees. Then the end. So it is used to set the arc end angle. So this one is about the start angle. This one is about the end angle. Then color. See here, 100 is x coordinate, y is 100. Then 150 is the width. Then 150 is the height of the arc. Then 25 is the starting angle, 155 is the ending angle, and the color is white. Okay, so here also we are using image PNG, then image destroyer function. So after that we are having ellipse. See here in the ellipse also we are creating one image. Width is 150, height is 200. Then we are creating the color using the image color allocate alpha. Then here we are using the image ellipse functions. Okay, so the image ellipse function is used to draw the ellipse. Okay, so the image ellipse, so parameters are image, then $x, $y, width, height, then color. So x represent the x coordinate value, y represent the y coordinate value, then width is the ellipse width, height is the ellipse height. Okay, so in this one 255 is the x coordinate value, again 255 is the y coordinate value, 70 is the x coordinate value, 100 is the y coordinate value, then width is 100, then 150 is the height of the ellipse, then color is yellow. Okay, so the last case is it is pattern lines. So here also we are creating the image. So the width is 50, height is 50. Okay, then we are defining the style, so with the help of array. Okay, so the white value is 0 into f, block is 0 into 0, 0, 0. So we are defining the style using the array values white, 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 then black, black, black. Then we are using the image set style function here. So this function is used to set the style to be used by the all drawing functions. So that is image polygon, then image line. Then we are using the image fill rectangle. So I already explained the syntax for image fill rectangle. Okay, so this one created the pattern lines. Okay, so now we move to the execution of the program. So before that I am checking the working of WAM server. Okay, it is working. After that I am giving the HTML file name. See here, so in the HTML file we are having the drop down list only, then one button. So here the values are displayed: line, rectangle, polygon, arc, ellipse, then pattern lines. Okay, so here suppose if I am selecting rectangle, then press the select button. So this one create the rectangle. So the next one is about polygon. This one create the polygon, then arc, so this one create the arc, then ellipse, create the ellipse, then pattern lines, So this one produce the pattern lines. Then line. So this one create the line. Okay. So this is the way to create the images in web page using PHP. I hope you people understand this. So provide your support through likes, sharing and subscribing the channel. Thank you all.